Hey everybody, this is Sean Henricksen here from the Sean Henricksen Law Firm. Today I am introducing a new project that I'm starting and I hope to be completing quickly. I'm starting both a podcast and a YouTube series called What to Expect When You're Arrested. What I want to have happen with this is I want to let people who have been arrested in San Antonio or basically anywhere around Texas to know a little bit more about what's going on with their case and what they can expect to have happen. There are a lot of different things that could happen and a lot of different stages on any particular case, starting from an investigation to an arrest, on to court dates, either a plea or a dismissal or even a trial. And then even after that, what happens when you're on probation or if you need to get your record cleaned up. It's so much information that it's hard to sit down with every single client I have or every person who calls my office and let them know what they can expect along the way and answer any questions that they may have. I think that this is a good way to get that information out there to people, even if they're not my clients, so that they can know a little bit more about what they can expect to have happen. So I'm hoping that this is a better way to get that information out both to my clients and people who aren't my clients so they can have a better expectation on what's going to have happen on their case. The reason that I think that this is important is because when I was younger, I was arrested for DWI, and so I'm in the same position that you're in right now. I still remember freaking out over everything because I didn't know what to expect because I'd never gone through anything like this before. I ended up hiring an attorney, and I was really happy with that attorney at the time. But I still remember walking into court on my first court date and not knowing if it was going to be reset or if there was a jury trial or really what was going to happen because I'd never been through anything like that before and my attorney didn't let me know what to expect. Ultimately, my case ended up getting dismissed, which I was obviously very happy about. But my attorney didn't tell me that since my case had been dismissed, I was eligible to get my record cleaned up later on. Every time I went to go apply for a job or apply for a house or when I was applying to get back into law school, I would have to check off that box saying that I had been arrested, and I wouldn't know how that was going to affect me. Now that I'm on this side of the table, now that I'm the one that's representing people, I don't want my clients or really anybody having to go through that stress when just having the information would help out so much more. If either you're being charged with something or even if you're just interested in what happens when somebody is charged with a crime, please go ahead and subscribe to this so you can listen through this and have that information that you're looking for. You can subscribe by either going to your favorite podcast player, searching for What to Expect When You're Arrested. This should come up, and then just click on that subscribe button. Or you can go to YouTube, search for either Sean Henricksen Law Firm and find this, or just search What to Expect When You're Arrested. This should show up, and then you can subscribe from there. If you do have any questions at all, or if there's anything that you would like me to add on to this and make sure that I bring up during the podcast, please feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 210-942-4997. And I really look forward to putting all of this great information out there, and I really would like it if you followed me. Have a great day.